Okay, Filipino famous street foods. Let's go. 4 minutes. Developing bird embryo in the boiled is ay nako, I forgot. What's this? Bro, hindi ko na. Bakit ba? Balut. Yan, balut. Made from barbecue pig or intestines. Barbecue. Pork barbecue. How to spell that? Oh my gosh, hindi ko na. Filipino snack made of fresh tofu, silken tofu, arnibal, and sago pearl. Tofu. Vegetable tofu. Chop suey. Hindi ko alam. Tempura like Filipino street food made by deep frying orange batter covered hard boiled eggs is tempura. Shrimp. Vegetables. Ay nako, hindi ko alam. Ay nako, bro. Proventiculatus of a chicken dipped in cornstarch then deep fried. Fried chicken. Chicken. Fried chicken. Fried manok. That is chicken inasal. Ay nako, hindi ko alam. Grilled congealed chicken or pork blood is sisig. Tinuguan. Tinuguan. How is that not tinuguan? Are you kidding me? Fried saba vegetables. Fried saba bananas with caramel spiced sugar is halo-halo. Halo-halo. Hindi. Ay nako. Plantain. Chips. Banana chips. Oh my gosh. A small flat sweet rice cake. Puto. Ano? Whoa. Steamed corn, sweet tamales, steamed corn cakes, corn flakes, sky flakes. Their glutinous round rice and coconut is puto. Bakit walang puto? Bro, that is puto. Bro. Filipino dessert made of sweet coconut strips. Everything is puto. Why isn't it not working? That is the word, right? Puto. Sweetened coconut strips. Dessert made of Filipino coconut shrimp. Hindi ko lang baked rice traditionally cooked in clay pots with banana leaves. Bawal fight. Ano yan? Bawal fight. Isn't it? Bawal fight. Shrimp. Sibuyas. Hindi ko lang. Made of mixture of rice flour, brown sugar, and lye, enhanced with yellow food coloring or annatto extract and steamed like ram skins. Drapes. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Ay nako, hindi ko alam. Buiso. Oh my gosh. Balut, isaw, taho, kwek, probin, betamax, banana Q, palitaw, pinaki, pintos, sapin, pukayo, bokayo, bibingka, kutsina, puto kutsina. Hindi ko alam. Ay nako. Ang Cebu ay isang lalawigan sa rehiyon ng Visayas sa Pilipinas. Kilala ito bilang Queen of the City of the South dahil sa kahalagahan nito sa kalakalan at turismo. Matatagpuan dito ang magsasayangang Magellas Cross na simbolo ng pagdating ng Kristyanismo sa bansa. Ang Cebu ay sikat din sa mga beaches, diving spots at masarap na pagkain tulad ng